Okay, and again, please keep the hands up. You got to be able to see hands all the time.
That's Safir.
Simpson.
That's correct. Your next pick, please.
What do we do?
Okay, and again, please keep hands up where we can see them.
Science history?
My hands are paining.
Science history 10. Let's see.
That's right.
Who is credited with the invention of the modern periodic table?
No.
Wait.
Again, hands up,
Mendeleev,
please.
No. He was before.
Mendeleev.
Fine, go for it.
Wait.
Yeah.
Mendeleev?
That is correct.
Okay, your next pick, please.
Yeah. Okay.
It's correct.
Guys, pause the timer, please. Okay, we're having a concern that someone is looking down. The gentleman in the green shirt. Yeah, we're actually getting complaints about, like, with antimony, that no one knew it, and then suddenly, with eyes going down, came up with it. So if we can get everybody to keep hands up on their head, so we can, because the hands keep disappearing, and you've answered a shockingly high number of questions correct, especially compared to the score you got in the prior rounds. So it's creating a concern. Okay, so which question is next? And when Ms. Shahara reads it, we'll go forward.
So was Mendeleev right? Just
Yes,
before
Mendeleev was correct.
Okay.
Your next pick, please.
Did we go with engineering, or we're not going back to technology? Or we don't know.
All the rest is something we're all weak at.
Wildcard 10. Wildcard 10.
Okay, wild card.
10.
10. Okay, give me 1 second. Could you tell me what this image is, please?
Could you move it a bit closer?
Closer to the camera.
It's
What is that a picture of?
like, what's it? Are you sure? So what's the question? Like, what is the name of it?
Yes, what is the name of that thing?
I don't like this category.
Okay. No, we
Just,
leave
we
it.
leave it.
Okay,
Have we done bio 100 yet?
next.
Have we
Minus
done
10 points. Your next pick, please.
wait. That's
Your next pick, please.
without engineering, we don't know. Engineering, we don't know.
Want to go for like 5?
Maths 10. Did we do maths 10?
Did we do math 5?
You guys already, no, the max 5 I have. Do you want to go for it?
Yes.
Okay. What is the best way to graphically represent a subset?
Matrix?
Graphic.
Matrices, right? Matrices?
Wait.
Okay, wait. Hausa, do you have an idea?
No.
Matrix.
Okay, and please keep the hands up. Yeah, thanks.
Graphically represent a subset.
Matrices, right?
If you
Let's just go for matrices. There's nothing else. Fine, we go for matrices.
Okay, that is incorrect. Next question.
some kind of function. Then did we go for bio 5?
I guess you would. No. Should I go for it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the human body's largest organ?
Wait.
Wait.
Oh, wait,
No,
wait.
the skin.
Skin.
It's the skin.
That is
That's
correct.
right. Your next pick, please.
Did we go for
You want to do physics 5?
Physics 5.
Physics 5.
To which part of physics does the Archimedes principle refer?
Archimedes principle.
Fluids.
Fluids.
That is incorrect. Okay.
Your next pick, please.
No, but
Fine,
that's
leave it. It's something to do with it now. Let's move on.
Chemistry 5. You want to do that?
These are all
Chemistry.
bad stuff for us. We don't know these subjects.
I hate the lower ones.
We
Um,
finished maths and
did we do
biology.
chemistry?
Sorry?
Chemistry 5. Yeah, you did not do that.
What is the most common isotope of hydrogen?
Wait.
Is it?
Wait one second.
Yeah.
Wait, let's
Wait,
discuss.
don't
This is
say it.
disgusting.
Just
I'm
discuss.
not saying. Let's discuss
You-
here first.
What do you think?
Nutrient.
Is it?
Wait.
Sorry?
One second. Is it
Deuterium?
deuterium?
There's
Yeah.
deuterium and then
There's protium, deuterium. Protium, right?
no, protium is the one.
Protium is H. That's
I think it's deuterium.
deuterium. Wait, Haza, what do you think? Protium, deuterium, or
I
tritium?
think deuterium.
Protium? Wait, what do you think?
Deuterium.
We did this. It's in camp. We did it.
See, no. Deuterium. H2 is when two molecules are together. Normally, it's just H1. So that's protium. Protium.
That is correct.
Your next pick, please.
Last
Science
one.
history 5.
No.
We
Go
don't-
for something we can actually do. Did we finish all the maths ones and the?
We finished all the maths ones and the bio. And I think I'm in.
You have not done the math
Science
one.
history 5. Science history
Yeah.
5.
5.
Science history 5.
Arachnophobia is the fear of what?
Which phobia?
Arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia. Fear of spiders, right? Fear of spiders.
That is correct.
That's correct.
Okay, I think we're done.
And time's up.
Okay, thank you so much. We'll total up the scores and we have to reset the board for the next team. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. No, this is team 3. This is team 2.
Okay, and you might want to mute while you're resetting the board. Thanks.
Excuse me?
Hello. Hi. Do you have any
Yeah, we
Yeah,
have a
we have-
question. Could we get like a recheck on the
Archimedes principle.
Archimedes principle? Because we're pretty sure that's fluids. We had like a discussion during the thing also, like the
It's
It
fluid.
is fluids.
It can be used in fluids, but it actually is anything to do with buoyancy. So even the Archimedes
Oh, okay.
principle also applies to gases, where one gas can be buoyant in another.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, no, we just wanted to
Thank you so
clarify.
much.
Thank you
That
so
was
much.
just for clarification. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, I believe the host asked us to unmute. No,
That was
Mr. Tan.
probably a mistake.
sorry.
That was probably a mistake.
That was probably
Sorry
a
about that.
mistake.
Oh, okay, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Team Epoch, are you ready?
Yes.
And where's your third member?
There should be 4 because if wait,
sorry.
let me text them because I think she joined.
Megan is saying she's not allowed to have camera because
Oh,
the
like
host has
says
stopped it.
unable. It says
Okay.
unable to.
We'll fix that.
Thank you.
Please try now.
Okay. Give us just a minute.
Hello, Uncle.
I have a question.
Yes.
For the math questions, are we allowed to use a calculator?
Yes, for the math questions, you're permitted to use a calculator.
And for physics and engineering as well?
Physics and engineering do not have any questions that require calculations,
Okay.
only math.
All right, thank you.
We are just about ready to start. Okay.
We're starting now.
Okay, now we're ready to start. So Team Epic, again, definitely keep your hands where we can see them. You need to consider when you are playing the round that the highest points are at the bottom, and you don't have to start at the top. You can start anywhere on the board you want to. Of course, the highest points also has the risk of possibly going back that number. So it's a trade-off, but just for that purpose. Yes, Corey?
Yeah, there are also unlimited like math 5s, right? Like there are more than one, right?
No.
No, there's only one 5-point math question, but your
Okay.
questions are unique from any other teams.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so you can only play the questions that are on the board. You can only choose a question number and category once, and then you've used that one up. Okay. Remember too that the wildcard questions could be anything, but they are worth double the number of points. So you can get halfway to the first team's total just by answering the 200-point question. Okay, so take all of that into account when you are preparing and choosing who on your team is going to be the spokesperson to call out which category and point value.
I will.
Said? Okay, perfect. And you might as well all unmute so that you can have any discussion that you want to have just on the Zoom. And when you're ready, Said, call out the first category. And as soon as Ms. Shahara reads it, then the timer will start.
Dan, before we proceed, I'd like
Yes.
to request Mert to please move your camera to the eye level.
Oh, just move it down a little bit so it's easier to see your hands.
Okay, sure.
Perfect. Thanks. Okay, great. So Said, go ahead and call your first topic and we'll go from there.
Can we go for Math 20?
In a group of X children, 10 like math and 25 like English, 7 like both subjects and 17 like neither. How many children are there in the group?
Can you
So you can
value?
use you can use pencil and paper, make a Venn diagram, whatever you need.
Okay. Can you list the values?
10 like math, 25 like English, 7 like both the subjects and 17 like neither.
What was after English?
It was both the subjects, both English and mathematics.
Yeah. What was the value?
10 and 25. I mean, for the like both the subject is 7.
Oh, okay.
10 like math, 25 like English, 7 like both the subjects, and
Okay,
17 like neither.
Guys, I think it's 10 plus 25 and then minus 7 plus 17. So-
Megan, we did this in stats. What was it? The
Oh,
probability.
yeah. I think.
Yeah, I think what Mert's saying is right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
final answer.
Okay. Yeah.
45.
45 is correct.
Okay,
Okay.
next pick, please.
Okay. Can we pick chemistry 10?
Okay, so hands back up then for
Yeah.
chemistry.
Ink is prepared from
Sorry?
ink.
Ink.
Yeah.
What is it made of?
Oh, like the chemical.
Yes. Or
Oh.
type of chemicals.
I'm not
yeah,
too sure on this one.
What was the
Is it 5 or 10? Should we just let it go?
10.
Ten.
It was 10. Can we say, does it have to be the chemical specifically?
It has to be the category or type of chemicals.
Oh, like the category. Then
Yeah.
perhaps like alkali metals.
Okay, that is incorrect.
Oh,
The
Okay,
next pick,
next.
please.
okay. Let's
Can
go
we do
with
bio?
Math.
bio, which one?
10 maybe?
Okay, yeah, bio 10.
Which vitamin or vitamin is necessary for blood clotting?
For blood
Iron
clot?
maybe?
Yeah, blood clot.
Yeah, I think it's
Iron,
iron.
I think.
Yeah, iron. No, no,
Uh,
wait.
that's incorrect. Okay,
The next pick, please.
Math. Math.
Okay,
Yeah.
math 10.
and you don't need to
If-
calculate for this one.
Equal arcs sub 10 equal angles at the center of the circle is a rule associated with circle geometry. Which other geometric part of a circle can be associated with this rule?
Could you repeat?
Equal arcs sub 10 equal angles at the center of the circle is a rule associated with the circle geometry. Which other geometry part of a circle can be associated with this rule?
It can
Equal
be
arcs,
maybe the
sub 10,
circumference.
equal angles at the center of the circle.
Sub 10? Sub
Wait.
10?
Equal arc sub 10, equal angles at the center of the circle. Is a rule associated with the circle geometry. Which other geometric part of a circle can be associated with this rule?
Okay, let's just take our best guess. What do you guys think?
I'm guessing the circumference because you can have like the angles, the interior angles, and then you can guess the angles of the exterior.
I
And
can't
that-
really understand what she's saying.
Okay, final answer?
Okay, we'll just go with circumference, I guess.
Okay, that's incorrect.
Okay, sorry, I just unclosed the screen. Let me pin it. Okay. Can we do technology 10?
Claude Shannon described the operation of electronic switching circuits with a system of mathematical logic called?
Claude Shannon?
Yeah, that's right. Describe the operation of electronic switching circuits with a system of mathematical logic called? Mathematical logic. It's pretty easy.
Oh, wait.
We could guess maybe like algebra. I don't know.
No, wait. You're in advanced math, yeah?
Yeah.
We
What was
are.
that- What was that unit we had where it was? Remember, the teacher said it had to deal with computer science.
The matrices of the zero one?
I think I know what it is, but I don't
No.
remember like the specific word for it.
Operations of electronic switching circuits with a system of mathematical logic called?
Information theory?
Okay, that is incorrect.
That's incorrect.
Next question.
You guys want to go science
Maybe-
history?
Yeah, okay, science history.
We'll do
10.
5 though. Oh.
Yeah.
Or 5, sure.
What was the name of the first mammal to orbit Earth?
Oh,
Orbit? A monkey or a dog or something?
yeah. It was a.
It was a
Soviet
dog.
It was a Soviet dog, but I don't remember the name.
Oh, the
That's it.
name of the actual dog or the
Yes.
species?
Oh,
The name of the dog.
Laika.
That is
That's correct.
correct.
Yay!
Your next pick, please.
Math, math, math.
Yeah, let's go math. Actually, wait.
We only have 30 left in math. Let's do wild card 10.
Okay, yeah, wild card 20.
Wildcard 20. Okay.
Okay, this isn't going to.
What is this image?
Yeah, what is
Oh,
that a
that's
picture
solar
of?
flare.
Yeah,
That's correct.
Oh, say that
Wow.
again.
What was
Right.
it?
That's a
Your next
solar
pick,
flare.
please.
Correct.
For chemistry, what do we have? Like, what points are available?
Chemistry.
You have 5.
Yeah, 5, 20, 50, 100.
Okay, can we go for 20?
Yeah.
Sure. The process of improving the quality of rubber by heating it with sulfur is called?
I think I know the chemical, but wait. No, never mind.
Heating rubber with salt.
Heating rubber. It was by this guy. I think. What did he boil it?
Rubber? Oh, I remember it. We
Wait,
learned this
yeah,
in
you boil-
history.
No. Vulcanization.
That's
Vulcanization.
correct.
That's
That is
correct. Your
Yeah,
next
yeah.
pick, please.
What do you guys think? Science history was
Bio
okay.
5.
Okay, bio 5.
All right.
I think the other team got to 400 points though.
The smallest unit that is capable of carrying out all life function is known as?
Oh,
No.
cell.
That's
That's
correct.
right. Your next pick.
Can we go wild? Oh, do we go big? We need to get
That-
some.
How many
Science-
points do we have?
We don't know, but it's
I'm
not
guessing
that
it's
many.
pretty low, to be honest. We've been going
Yeah.
for 20. And 10. Let's
Let's do wild card. Why not?
Uh-oh.
bio what? 50?
No, wild card.
Oh, wild card. But there's only 20 or 100.
We're losing time now, so just
Yeah,
anything.
yeah, okay. Wild card 100.
Oh God.
Oh, you've got 100 and 200 available on wild card. So, okay, wild card 100.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Chinese, the Chinese. Wait, we have to say the name?
What is that a picture of?
Oh,
Wasn't it the
okay.
Chinese, the Chinese tell us, no. I forgot. Was it the one that communicate with aliens or?
What?
It has to be. Wait.
Is it?
It was it had some form, it dealt with astronomy. That's all I knew.
Yeah.
Did I have a Chinese name or?
I have no idea.
Arceebo.
That is correct.
That's
Arecibo
correct.
Radio Telescope.
Your next pick, please.
Okay, we could slow down for a bit now. Let's go.
Math 50.
Maybe wild card 20.
Oh no, we did a wild card 100. Oh wait. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
so
Wild card 20.
You've got 10, 40, and 200 in wild card if you want.
Okay, wild card 20.
Or no, you've got 10, 40, or 200.
We've already done 20.
Wild card 20.
Yeah.
Wild card. Oh,
No,
We've
we
done
already-
20.
okay.
You want 40 in wild card?
Should
Is
we
that what
try
you-
engineering 5?
Okay, engineering 5.
I
Yeah.
can't help with this.
What name is given to a manufacturing process in which a liquid material is typically poured into a mold, which contains a hollow cavity of the desired shape, and then allowed to solidify?
That was sorry, I lost track. What was it? Can you repeat that?
Yeah, sure. What name is given to a manufacturing process in which a liquid material is typically poured into a mold, which contains a hollow cavity of the desired shape,
Oh,
and then allowed to
molding?
solidify?
Molding?
That is incorrect.
It's incorrect.
Okay, never mind. Sorry.
Your next pick, please.
Let's
Should we
Wild
keep
card
count?
40.
biology.
Actually, go wild card 40.
Yeah. Wild card 4.
Wild
Okay.
card 40.
Card 40.
Okay.
So far, they've been okay. So hopefully. Oh my God, that was in The Martian.
Yeah, what's it called?
It's like the Mars rover.
Yeah, no, yeah, but
Right?
the name.
The name.
Was it the? It was in The Martian. I watched it like 2 days ago. Wait. Okay, wait.
Did it have like 5 in it? Or is that something
No.
else?
Curiosity. That's not.
There was something. Okay.
Just letting you know you have 3 minutes left.
Oh God. Okay. The one where he puts the steak and then. Curiosity.
That's incorrect.
What?
It's Pathfinder.
Oh my God.
Your next pick, please.
Just try to create-
Okay, we gotta. What's the point? We're down a lot, yeah.
Let's do bio 50.
Okay, bio 50.
Bio? Should we do math instead? No.
That might be. More, it's gonna
Okay.
take more. If it's calculation, it's gonna take longer. Bio 50.
Okay.
True.
What is prion?
Sorry, what?
What is
What
a
is a
prion?
prion?
A prion.
Oh, it's like a.
Prion.
Prion. Prion.
Oh, prion.
It's like a. It's like an infection, I think.
It's a protein.
No,
What kind of
it's
protein?
probably something.
It's
small.
for the brain, right?
Yeah, but what kind of protein?
Like. It's function. It's part of the brain. Okay, what kind of proteins are in the brain? Let's just make
Yeah.
a list.
That's okay. We'll accept protein.
Okay.
Go
thank
ahead.
you.
Continue.
Okay. Your
Uh,
next pick, please.
Should we go science history? Because I mean,
Okay.
Yeah, those aren't too bad. Yeah.
science history 50.
50?
Oh,
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
just like because like we have 2 minutes. We gotta.
Okay. Okay.
For what achievement was Galileo Marconi awarded the Nobel Prize in 1909?
The what's it called? The
Galileo.
telephone kind of.
No,
I remember,
No. Wait.
It was the radio communication.
That is
radio
correct.
Thing.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, in AP World History.
The next
Yes,
pick, please.
Okay. Can we pick chemistry? We have 50?
20.
I'm so bad
I
at
think
chemistry.
we can slow down a bit.
You don't have 20 in chemistry.
Oh,
You
Okay.
do have a 50.
Okay, let's go with 50.
Oh my.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, the oldest rocks in the Earth's crust were once molten and came from deep inside the Earth. The molten rock called magma spewed out in volcanic eruption during the Earth's early life and solidified into hard rocks called. Do you want me to repeat it?
Yes, please.
The oldest rocks in the Earth's crust were once molten and came from deep inside the Earth. The molten rock called magma swept out in volcanic eruption during the Earth's early life and solidified into hard rocks called.
Igneous.
That's correct.
That's correct. Your next pick,
Yay.
please.
Okay.
We have 30 seconds. Should we just stop?
Okay. No. I say
Yeah, I think
we need to get
so.
something.
Do we have any fives left?
Go with
No.
small things.
I don't think we have enough points, to be honest.
Yeah, but
Yeah, we're not gonna-
if we
But
do,
if we won't have enough time to
We're
answer,
not gonna answer in
then
time. Just wait it out. I think.
Okay, but the
Yeah.
wild cards is an
Yeah.
image. Usually that should be fine, right?
I think we
We
should
have 10
stop because that's too risky. We have like 10 seconds.
Too late now.
All or nothing. Wild card 200. Can we?
No.
Too late now. We don't
Wild
agree.
card 200. Wild card
We don't
200.
agree. We
We're
don't agree.
done. The time's
come
up.
on.
Thank you.
Thanks. And just to satisfy your curiosity, Shahara, could you hold up the 200-point wild card just to see if they could answer it?
Sure, we'll do that.
That's the
Oh.
particle accelerator. Oh
but-
my god.
But what part of it? Which device in the particle accelerator?
Oh, okay.
The magnet?
No, that's the Atlas detector at CERN.
Oh.
So
Okay.
you wouldn't have gotten it anyway, so it's better that you didn't.
oh.
Okay.
That way you can at least be peaceful about it. Okay, so it'll take us about 5 minutes to reset the board. Thank you so much, and we'll total up points now.
Thank you.
Am I on mute?
Team Chris disciples, are you ready?
Yes.
Start with your camera.
We can't start video. It's disabled.
We try it again.
We can't open our cameras. It's not letting us.
Oh, okay. Maybe they'll do it. Okay. Sorry, any film set it up. Great.
You have logged in using just one device, correct?
There's two devices. There's Cadro and mine.
The team name is not correctly input. Could you please tell me the spelling of the name?
Yeah.
Okay, you spelled it. Please send it.
Can you have them raise the hand, please? Are you good to go? Team, are you good to go? Team Chris disciples, are we good to go?
Yes.
Yeah, it's right there. It's right there.
The name you've mentioned in the chat box has already given the video access.
Okay.
Put your arms up.
Bro, we are
Put your arms
minutes.
up.
Okay, I can't fix it. Okay. Just watch
Team, are we
out.
good to go?
Watch out for her. I might get arrested.
Shara, I'm gonna turn that camera on.
So what's happening?
Okay, so Chris's disciples, who was going to call out the selection for your team? Okay, wonderful. That's great. So again, you've seen 2 rounds played through. You have the option to go for the higher points, try and rack them up quickly, or to play it safer with the smaller points. So take the logic of the game into account as much as your knowledge of the questions. So as soon as you are ready, please go ahead and call out your first topic and point amount, and the timer will start when Ms. Shahara reads the question.
All right. 20 physics, please.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
What constant is equivalent to 96,485 coulombs per mole of electron? What constant is equivalent to 96,485 coulombs per mole of electrons?
Is that Faraday?
What constant is equivalent to 96?
Yeah, I think it's Faraday's constant.
I think Faraday?
No, it's
That
not
is
cool.
correct.
Yeah.
That's correct. In your next pick, please.
Next pick.
By 20?
By 20.
Keep it up.
What is the name of the biggest part of the human brain?
What's the name of the biggest part of the human brain? I know this.
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum.
That's right.
Correct.
Yes.
Your next pick, please.
Want to go wild card?
Can we come 20?
What?
Come 20?
Yeah, sure. Can
Okay, go for it.
Chemistry 20.
Keep it up.
What do you call an atom that has more protons than electrons?
Cation. Cation.
Cation.
That is correct.
Your next pick, please.
Want to go wild card?
Okay. I say
What?
cation for some reason.
Guys, what do you want to do?
Wild card 20.
Wild card 20, yes. Good.
Wild card.
I like pictures.
Okay. Pictures are nice.
Cosmic background radiation.
That was fast.
Correct.
That's perfect. That's correct. Your next pick, please.
Do you want to do another word?
No. Let's do some bio.
Okay.
Let's do some bio.
Statistically, that's not smart.
No,
Physics 50?
No, wait.
Bio-
Do like math or bio.
no.
Like-
Math is whack. Math is whack.
Or engineering. Let's do
Engineering 20?
Engineering. Okay, I'm not. Okay, engineering. Let's go. Up to you guys anymore.
Which cast iron is hard and wear resistant? Water
What?
resistant, sorry.
Which cast iron is very hard and water resistant?
Yeah.
Wear resistant. No, wear resistant.
Wear resistant.
Wear resistant.
Is steel.
Steel cast iron.
Steel cast iron.
Wait.
Steel is.
No, wait.
How do you
What are the options?
Is steel casting? I don't know. I don't know.
It's the only option you have to pick it.
Okay. We have to say.
Are you sure?
Yeah, like, just say it. We have
No,
to
say
time.
it, say it,
Say it.
say it.
Just say it.
Steel.
Steel cast
That
iron.
is incorrect.
That's incorrect. Your next pick, please.
I'm
Uh,
I'll go wild card 40.
I'm supposed to be good at
No,
engineering.
wait.
Bio 50. Bio
Bio 50?
50. We gotta make it up. Yeah.
The term renal. Sorry. The term renal refers to which organs?
Renal.
Renal,
You may have heard it
renal.
pronounced renal.
The term renal refers to what?
The renal system is
Renal system, isn't it?
it's in the kidneys.
Wait.
It is the kidneys.
Kidneys, yeah.
No, yeah.
Isn't
No,
it?
retinal.
That's retinal.
Renal.
Renal, not
Yeah.
retinal, correct?
Kidneys, bladder stuff.
Kidneys?
Kidneys, correct.
Yes.
Your next pick, please.
You're so clutch. Science.
Math 50.
Wait, no.
Math 20.
No.
Oh, wait.
No.
Math 100.
No. Ignore him. He's a menace.
Physics 50.
No,
Physics
physics
50.
50. Fine, physics 50.
Physics 50, okay.
You already did that.
Oh.
They did
Oh, no, I
20.
have it. Yeah.
Sorry.
Net movement of water from a dilute to a concentrated solution through a selective permeable membrane is called?
Shut up.
Yeah. Sorry?
No,
No,
sorry,
stop,
no,
stop.
no.
Is
No,
it?
that's
Biology,
biology,
ignore
not
me.
physics.
The net motion of water in
Net movement of water from a dilute to a concentrated solution through a selectively permeable membrane is called?
Either osmosis or diffusion.
No,
I
it's
think
water.
it's
It's
osmosis.
osmosis.
That's correct. Your next pick, please.
I'm the king of physics.
Yeah. Did we do biology 50?
Biology 50, yes, you've done.
Yep.
Let's do math 50.
Math
Come on,
20, math 20.
Okay, math 20.
I didn't think of that.
What unit of measurement is used to measure the highest of horses and ponies?
The what?
The unit of measurement for
Horses and ponies.
I know this. What's the unit of measurement for horses and ponies? I know this. I
It's
know
not.
this.
It's not horsepower. Don't say that.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's either meters or feet. It can't be anything else.
Wait. What is it?
It's like hooves. Wouldn't it be
What?
hooves? Wouldn't it be hooves because they're like horses? They can't. They can't do feet.
Inches?
Huh?
Inches?
I don't know.
Inches would be so two high numbers. Would be the
Inches
hundreds.
or hands?
Why would it be hands? Hands sounds fancy.
Yeah.
Hands.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Next pick.
It's the hands. Wait.
I do the hands.
Okay.
You have two right here.
Do you want to do bio 100?
Well, let's do wild card. Let's do wild card.
Wild card
Wild-
40.
Wild card 40.
Yes.
Yeah.
On you.
Well,
What is this image?
The perseverance, opportunity, or curiosity.
what's the symbol?
I'm trying to look at the
symbol.
scientific instruments. See which one. They all look the same, man.
Say something.
Okay, say the closest one or something.
It's a picture.
That's
Wait.
an RTG in the back. All of them have RTGs. Is it the rover Perseverance?
That is incorrect. That's
Oh.
Curiosity.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
First one to ever take a selfie.
Your
Oh,
next pick, please.
Bio 100?
Sure.
Biology 100.
Yeah. Take that risk. You gotta do this one right. 3 games for big future.
Which 4 letters of the English alphabet are used in the genetic code?
A.
Wait. Hold up.
Wait, wait,
Hold
wait.
up.
Wait.
Double
Adenine,
it?
guanine,
You wanna double
thymine,
it?
cytosine.
We can't double it.
We can't do it.
Can we double it?
No, it's not
you-
the daily double.
It's not
Huh?
a daily double.
Okay.
A, T, C, and G.
Yeah.
That is correct.
That's right. Your next pick, please.
I studied this yesterday.
Chemistry 100.
Chemistry 100.
Okay, it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. No, just keep it up.
What happens when a drop of glycerol is added to crushed potassium permanganate, which is KMNO4, spread on a paper?
I know this way. When glyceride is added to what?
Potassium permanganate.
Glyceride is added to
Glyceride or
potassium
glycerol?
permanganate. Okay. Wait.
Glycerol.
What happens to the What happens to the?
When it's spread on the paper, what happens?
It ignites.
Yes.
That's correct. The next one. Next pick, please.
Science history 50.
No, 50, 20.
20. We did 20, I think.
No,
Did you do 20?
we didn't.
You didn't do 20. You want 20?
Yeah.
What was the first mammal cloned?
What was the
Sheep.
first mammal
Dolly the sheep.
Dolly the sheep.
Yeah,
Sheep.
you got that
That's
correct.
correct. The next one.
Science technology 50.
Okay, let's take that risk.
Technology 50.
Science technology. Science history, sorry.
With history, okay.
Nice one, Pam.
Which French microbiologist discovered the process of pasteurization?
Pasteur.
Pasteur.
Pasteur. What's
Correct.
his first? Yeah.
Pastor, yeah.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
No one cares about his first name.
Yeah, we're talking.
I'm supposed to be serious here, standing, asking the question, but yeah, that's right. The next pick, please.
Here's how we go.
Physics 100. Do you want to do it?
Can you do it?
Can you do it? I'll try.
I'll try.
Wait.
No.
Physics 100.
Okay, screw it. Physics
100.
We gotta take the risk. High risk, high reward.
Let's go.
What is the Chandrasekhar limit and what is its value?
What is the Chandra?
Chandrasekhar limit and what is its value?
What's the value of Chandra?
The Chandrasekhar limit is like the maximum value a star can reach before it becomes a neutron star, I think.
I've heard of this before.
But,
I watched a video about it.
But I don't know the actual value.
What's the
It's
limit?
something like three sun masses.
Wait.
Or 4 sun masses.
Think about it. What is it called?
Chandrasekhar.
Chandrasekhar.
I think.
I don't know how.
Chandrasekhar limit.
I'm just gonna.
Chandrasekhar limit.
Chandrasekhar limit. What's the limit?
I can't talk.
I'm not sure. I think it's 3.1 sun masses.
Is that like a viable measurement?
I'm guessing though. But
The measure is in astronomical or solar masses. You're correct. It's in solar masses. You just need to come up with a number.
Okay.
What's the number for the Chandrasekhar limit?
How much time do you have?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay.
I don't see any.
30 seconds. If I don't get it, I'll just say 3.1.
Let's just say
Wait,
3.1 right
no,
now.
wait. Think.
It could be like 4 or 2.
Think clearly. 3.1.
Think of a number.
I'm just gonna say 3.1.
Compare it to a number that's like other
Okay,
numbers.
just say. Let's just go 3.1.
Yeah,
One
okay,
point something. It has to be 1 point.
We can bring it back with other points. Let's just do it.
The limit is the limit before the mass of a star before after
No,
it
it's
collapses.
times. Doesn't it have to be times? If it's related to solar, doesn't it have to be multiplied by the solar?
Yeah, I'm just
Sorry.
explaining what it is.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, go.
The limit is how much mass a star can have before after it collapses, it turns into a neutron star, and the limit is 3.1 solar masses.
No, 1 point something times. No, I don't know.
3.1 solar masses.
3.1?
Let's just go for the next question. 3.1 solar masses.
Okay, so
Most of the solars.
yeah, that is a partially correct answer. You got the first half, not the second half.
Yeah.
So we'll deal with that later. Okay.
The next pick, please.
Math 50.
Didn't you already do it?
No, we didn't.
No, okay.
Should I?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which mathematical concept is used to stimulate the shapes, design, and patterns seen in nature?
Fibonacci sequence, golden ratio.
Golden.
Okay, that is incorrect.
Okay.
What is it?
Fractals.
Like not like a.
It's what?
Fractals.
Fractal.
Oh. Okay, we need to go for something easy points.
Technology. Do you want to try technology?
Let's go.
It's gonna be programming then.
Chemistry. Yeah, chemistry. Did we do chemistry 50?
No, that's available.
No.
Can I do it?
No,
I
we
can't help you though. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to read out the question. The soft silvery metallic element which ionizes easily when heated or exposed to light and is present in atomic clocks is?
Isn't that mercury?
Atomic clocks.
What ionizes?
Helium is present in atomic clocks.
Can you
Right.
repeat the question?
Sure. The soft silvery metallic element which ionizes easily when heated or exposed to light and is present in atomic clock is?
Cesium.
That is correct.
That's correct.
Yes.
Good.
Nice one.
That's the definition of an atomic clock. Good.
Okay.
Any more
Let's
points?
do biology 10.
Biology,
Okay.
yeah.
Great. And please make sure to keep your hands up where we can see them. Thanks. Yeah.
Heterochromia results in which change in physical appearance?
One eye, different color. Both
eye
eyes,
colors.
different colors.
That is correct.
That's correct. Your next pick, please.
Chemistry 10.
DNA codes for proteins, which are the building blocks of organism. What is the most abundant protein in the human body?
What's the most abundant protein in the human body? We know this.
Abandoned protein?
Yeah.
Abundant.
Abundant or abandoned?
Yeah, abundant.
Abundant.
What's the most abundant
Third
protein
one
in
was
the human
looking
body?
down.
Protein.
I know this. I know this. I know this. Polypeptide. Polypeptide.
No,
wait,
that's a
wait.
diet. No.
What's the most abundant
I
protein
don't
in the
really
human
look.
body?
I'll give you like choices: glutamic acid, valine.
It's not, no, it's the amino acid.
That's amino
Yeah.
acids.
Do you even know any names of proteins? Maybe Rebesco?
Protein.
Maybe Rebesco? Well, that's human body.
RB is.
What?
Do you guys know any
No. I know
names of
this.
proteins?
RB. I know it.
What?
Cellulose?
No.
No.
It's RB something. RB. You've seen something like that. RB.
Ribose? RNA?
Ribonucleic.
No.
Ribosomes.
Guys, we're gonna run out of time. You do biology.
Huh?
Figure it out. I don't do biology.
We're discussing. Ribisco? No.
What? I don't know.
Okay, you can skip that question and go on.
Skip.
Okay.
Okay. Your next pick, please.
Did we do science is 50? Did we do that?
Science 350. Yeah, you have done that.
20?
Did you do science history 100?
No.
No.
You want to do it?
Do we do it?
History.
20 is also done. You have a 10.
Yeah, let's do
10.
it.
Let's do 10.
10.
Who wrote the classic on computable numbers with an application to the Enchedung's problem that dealt with logic and calculation?
Sorry, your voice lagged a bit. Cut off.
Oh,
a bit.
sorry. Who wrote the classic on computable numbers with an application to the Enchedung's problem that dealt with logic and calculation?
You know this. The one. I know
Alan
this.
Turing.
No. That guy is like.
Guys, we have 40 seconds.
Sorry.
Who wrote?
It's not Stephen Hawking. Okay.
Turing. Wait.
No,
it's not Alan
no, it's
Turing.
not Turing.
That was
Graham. No, that guy's
before.
Quick.
Skip.
Ready, three?
Skip.
What do you want next?
Do we do wildcard?
Let's do wildcard
Are you-
10. Wildcard 10.
Okay.
Go.
Is that the dawn crew?
I don't
No,
know.
wait, it's not the dawn
10
crew.
seconds.
Just do it. Just say it.
Wait, what's the thing in the background?
Wait, what's that in the back?
6 seconds.
What's in the back?
Three, two,
One.
time's up.
Done.
What
By
is
the
it?
way, she was right. It was Alan Turing. You should have gone with her.
Oh! I
you.
thought, he
Did I
did
get
with
it right?
hack
The last one?
I don't know.
Last one, right?
Okay. Well,
Last one?
thank you all so much. We will now do the points calculation, and we'll need about 5 minutes or so to get everything done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just to let everyone know, we'll be back in just a few moments.
Thank you.